Life moves fast. It's hard to manage everything you do, let alone protect the things in your life. Protecting those things is important and should be convenient and easy to do. So to help you unlock what matters to you, Master Lock developed Bluetooth smart padlocks. No physical key to lose and no combination to forget. They make life simple. Your phone is the key. Bluetooth smart padlocks open upon touch when your phone is with you. If you have to leave your phone in a locker or don't have your phone with you, you can open the lock using a directional code. Bluetooth smart padlocks make all the moving parts in your life come together a little easier. They add flexibility to your day by letting you share access with the people you trust. You can let workers into job sites, employees into controlled areas, the landscape service into your gate, or your friends into your storage unit to borrow your fishing boat. Bluetooth smart padlocks put you in control with easy-to-use features that let you give all-day access or limit time to day or night. Monitor lock activity, receive tamper alerts, and get low battery reminders. Master Lock Bluetooth smart padlocks deliver a new level of advanced security. Security that's smart enough to handle your indoor needs and tough enough to handle your outdoor challenges. Master Lock. Access remastered.
What do you want for a snack?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes?
Yeah, that's great. Excited to see you this weekend, Mom. Bye.
It's going to be a great game today.
I'm on the third boss now, and he's the hardest because you have to find his elemental weakness. And if you don't beat him, you can't unlock new worlds. The challenge is to...
Look at this cool new lock I bought. Want to figure out how it works?
A real-life challenge. Okay. Hey, this lock has a keyless entry, so you can just type in your code into the touchscreen display. When Mom goes running, she doesn't need to hide her key under the mat anymore.
That seems pretty useful.
Yeah, especially for you. You lose your keys all the time.
Do not.
On the touchscreen, there's a feature called Secure Screen, which randomizes the first two numbers you type in so that no one can use your fingerprints to guess the code.
That's a good idea.
It has a motorized deadbolt and auto-locking system so that our house is secure even if we forget to lock the door. It activates after 30 seconds and secures the house on its own. Hey, you can program unique user codes for each of us. Grandma and Grandpa can come over whenever they want.
That's not funny. Look what I found. My keys from last summer. Let's make this lock happen. I'll get my toolkit.
This is all we need.
It's that easy.
Well, it's easier than the third boss.
New lock? Huh. What's it do?
He would tell you all about it.
Okay, so it has a keyless entry, so you don't even need a key to use it.
The Kwikset Smart Code 915, made for the world you live in. Also available with Home Connect technology, featuring remote locking and unlocking and real-time notifications.
So, you're away from home and your housekeeper's waiting at your front door. Don't worry, ADT Pulse Interactive Solutions can help. The ADT Pulse door lock, along with an installed ADT camera, allows you to see who's at your front door and remotely unlock it for them without having to share keys or codes. Go to the ADT Pulse app on your smartphone or tablet. Press the lock icon and simply choose to unlock your front door. Remember to disarm your security panel first. You can also program doors to automatically lock whenever you arm your system by adding an automation. In addition to locking the door automatically, an automation can be created to disarm the security panel when the door is unlocked by a user code while the security panel is armed. Consider unlocking your door remotely rather than giving out the door code. With ADT Pulse Door Lock, you'll rest easy knowing that your master key is a click away.
It happens every morning, and when you're late, and on your way out the door. But what if you never needed a key again? And what if your lock could connect to your phone, so you knew who came and went? What if the company that's reinventing the home worked with the company that invented the lock as we know it? Introducing the Nest Yale Lock.
SimpliSafe on. Home.
The sound of home sweet home. Funny, statistics show guys in my profession avoid places with home security. Still, only 1 in 5 houses has it. You know, maybe it's because traditional security companies make it such a pain, robbing you blind with hidden costs and contracts, which, as a career larcenist, I gotta respect. But there's only one security system that's good enough for my house and my family. SimpliSafe. With 24/7 professional monitoring, if something's going down, SimpliSafe can send video verification directly to police. Yes? Which helps them respond up to 3.5 times faster. You're losing your touch, Larry! With whole home protection, SimpliSafe watches every door and window. With motion and glass break sensors, a panic button, and a freakishly loud siren to encourage guys like me to leave fast. With SimpliSafe's Video Doorbell Pro, you'll know if the person at your door is friend or foe. With my smart lock, I can let him in. Entrez-vous, and I can lock up from right here. SimpliSafe doesn't just protect you from guys like moi. It can also defend against other home hazards like fire and water damage from leaks.
Water sensor triggered.
And unlike security gadgets that only watch a room or two, SimpliSafe has everything you need to blanket your home with protection. You can set it up yourself or have a security specialist do it for you. No wonder both PC Magazine and CNET named SimpliSafe their editor's choice. They may not be as well acquainted with home security as I, but they know their stuff. Plus, SimpliSafe is just $15 a month with no contract, so I'm never locked in. I've been there. Not my thing. So take it from an expert. Get SimpliSafe and protect home like a pro.
Each system comes with free shipping and a 60-day risk-free guarantee at SimpliSafe.com.
Your home is your sanctuary. A safe place to cherish time with family and friends. At Schlage, we create innovative door hardware designed to make everyday life a little easier. That's why for over 100 years, families have opened their homes to the safety, simplicity, and style of Schlage.
Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready, and August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.